Welcome to the stream, guys. It is nice to see you all. Today I guess I'm gonna do some CTF challenges with XSS. It will be more hands-on experience. I will show you like my mind process, my thought process, how I do approach different XSS challenges, what I usually test when looking for XSS. And I guess for this week, for XSS challenges, it will be more than enough. But at the next week, I think I gonna continue on blind XSS, because blind XSS is also pretty interesting, and there are a lot of pretty nice write-ups. So I have this in plan. I have this reading more write-ups in plan, but I want to read more quality write-ups, so I will try checking better write-ups, or even if there will be not so great write-ups, I will also give some opinion what could be improved there or not. So yeah, today it's gonna be more practical day. And for the next week, I think I will dedicate one day at least to do some live recon as well. So that is also pretty interesting topic for most of the people. So I guess I'm gonna announce that prior, because I know a lot of you guys are interested in recon only, even though the recon should not be the main thing for beginner at least. So yeah, let's wait one more minute and I will hit the start. Alright, cool. Let's go to my main screen. So as you can see, I have 70 followers. If you are just stopping by, you can consider following me on Twitch as well. I'm really looking forward to getting at least 100 followers. This is like my step one goal. We will see if I can reach that or not, but hopefully it will be possible to do at least this month. I'm not that ambitious, but we will see. So still, streaming is quite new stuff to me. Prior to twitching, doing streams on Twitch, I did some YouTube streams as well, but still, I have a lot of things to learn for myself for sure. So alright, let's see what we're gonna do today. So as I already shown in the previous streams, those were just some generic things, but what I really looking for is for labs right now. So let's go to the reflected XSS first, I guess. This will be just the first. Oh, thank you for the follow. Thank you. First we will do reflected. Oh, thank you that I see more followers getting in, really. That's pretty cool. I guess let me edit the alert button a little bit to be a little bit higher, bigger, because right now it's not sure if you are able to see. Alright, I have edited it. So I guess this is the page of reflected XSS. Some of you might read this if you were following the streams, previous streams. So as you can see, I already solved it. I did quite a bit of labs 2 years ago or 1 year ago, because I was on long break between my job and before doing bug bounties. I did some labs at the beginning, so that was just to refresh my memory. So what we will be doing as well, I will be showing what I my thought process and things like that. So the reflected XSS into HTML context. We already know what is HTML context with nothing encoded. So this will be without any rules, without any web application firewall rules, any sanitization, and inside the HTML context. So it will be pretty simple, I guess. So, oh, solutions. Whoopsie. Alright, let me continue the lab. It will be just a simple payload, but I just want to see how fast I can finish. I guess I'm gonna add the timers probably on the next stream, but I will be doing some CTFs, like how fast I can do the CTF. So that could be pretty interesting thing to do. And for some weird reason, the lab... Why the hell is that? Alright, so it looks like it's a blog. It has the search functionality, it has functionality to view the post. Instantly I see the ID of the post, and there's comments. So this is like potential attack vector, and search blog is also potential attack vector. It has the search. I think this is being... Okay, sorry if I kept you waiting. I just wanted to check one thing. I just did like some prevention. Oh, thank you for follow. Thank you. Nice. Alright, so as we can see, the injection is possible. So my first area what I could test is either use the injection marker right here, or just try to do like script alert. Yeah, it is as simple as that actually. So it was, congratulations, you solved the lab. So this one was really simple. Let me check maybe some other lab. Impact of reflected XSS. Contexts. Yeah, this one is HTML context we already did. Let's see the stored XSS, because we checked the reflected one. Let's try stored XSS in HTML context with nothing encoded. It will be also like pretty simple payload, but let's try using a different one. Let's see how fast I can do this. Alright, so as we can see, there is no search functionality right now, but we can view the different posts. The post will have different IDs, but those are usually interesting for SQL injection maybe. Maybe some other stuff, but usually SQL injection if you see the numbers, or maybe IDORs, but this is not like sensitive information to test for IDORs. And yeah, we could try leaving the comment, like email. I will just write anything here. Alright. Let's do Google. Let's try capturing request, and let's go back to the post. Okay. Let's try now injecting some stuff. Firstly, I always want to just test the functionality before injecting something. Let's try, is it using Google? Interesting. Okay, let's use google.com. I will just in case use the burp suite and capture the request. Alright, intercept on, capture request. Which one is it? Oh, the YouTube. Come on. Intercept is off. Okay, I think it needs to have HTTPS. Let's try checking the history instead. and try to search for what's bigger maybe. Okay, this is the get request where I can see the post request, but let's see first without burp suite probably if something. Alright, I think the contents of the post was injected. So if you remember from yesterday, what I suggested you to use polyglots for testing multiple things. Not only you can escape multiple context, but you can also try to use polyglots, for instance, to check for even sometimes XSS alongside with SQL injection, together with some client-side injections and stuff like that. So let's try injecting those multiple characters, maybe closing tag, and just trying to inject italics with A as this, and maybe try doing some 7 times 7 just in case. I highly doubt that this will be applicable, but we will see, like, because I just wanted to show you that you can like save this in the notes or just use smart clipboard plugins on Firefox, and later on you can try to reuse it. And other interesting thing what you can also implement in your daily testing, you can use autofill plugins. So like there is form filler or something like that, so that's pretty nice thing to do. So like this. And for the website it doesn't really matter, I think, but right now if we go back to the post, you will see only this area was affected. So let's try, maybe instead of doing regular script alert, let's do image source on error equals, instead of alert, let's do prompt. Maybe prompt is another function, or we can even do print. This one is gotta be pretty annoying for other people, so we can try using this one. Okay, and if we go back, as you can see, the print function will work instead of alert. So this is like the print function, but I think the lab itself wanted alert function, so let's do it one more time, and instead of print, let's do alert. It's pretty much more common one. Alert. Let's copy this instead. Okay, website, Google, post a comment. Okay, let's disable the burp suite, and if we go back, the alert will be stored on that page. And one thing what I wanted to say while working on this lab as well, I just wanted to say that you can not necessarily will able to see the stored XSS straight away in the some page. Sometimes your stored XSS could be applicable to other pages and you won't notice, like straight away. You can notice in maybe while testing for weeks in like the same program. So what I suggest, and sometimes not even on the same page, sometimes your data could be used in other purposes. For example, when someone is researching their clients, doing some tickets, reviewing your information, your browser information. So in that case, blind XSS payloads could work, even though your payloads are not working on the same website. So that could be truly the case. All right. Let me quickly check. All right, for some weird reason, I don't see why the chat is not working. Huh, that's crazy. Because I see the chat right here. Okay, I don't know. I will try fix it later probably, but okay, I still gonna answer your questions, no worries if you have some, but I don't know, sometimes it's not working. Like every day I have some issue. Hopefully I will cure myself from like these stupid mistakes. Okay, so this was just like stored XSS and HTML content. It's fairly straightforward, pretty simple, and we solved it pretty quickly, like within a couple of minutes. So let's go to maybe more serious stuff, like reflected XSS in HTML context. It will be also like other context, but I will also want you to show you the cheat sheet of Portswigger, so that will be more interesting in this case. So let's go to this lab, let's read it. This lab contains a reflected XSS vulnerability in the search functionality, so the even specifying the search functionality, which will be even easier. But while you are doing bug bounties, you not necessarily know where like most of the bugs will occur, but uses a web application firewall (WAF) to protect against common XSS vectors. To solve the lab, perform a cross-site scripting attack and bypass the web application firewall and calls the print function. So this time the print function is like more interesting one. I usually while testing I avoid using alert because it's more known. Print is like lesser known function. That's why I suggest using print instead of alert. And because you will go on some random page sometimes and you will see, what the hell, print. Alright, let's see. And let's wait. I'm not sure like why it's loading so not so fast, but you'll see. Okay, so the search functionality, right? Let's try injecting just something. Tag is not allowed. Okay, all right. Let's firstly see which tags are allowed. So instead of let's try image maybe. No. Let's try SVG. No. What we can do right now is try to search for Portswigger cheat sheet, and there is XSS cheat sheet. This is like the newest edition, and we can check the like different tags. So let's try maybe a tag. We can do it manually. We can try intruder, which will make our lives way easier. So what I will do, I will just copy text to the clipboard and I will try capturing the request. So let's try this. Let's try check the burp suite. Okay. Web Security Academy. Okay, I will just filter by the search like this. Search, and this returns tag is not allowed. So let's do a little trick right now. Let's send it to the intruder. This will be our injection point. I will click on that. And one interesting thing is right here, URL encode these characters. Sometimes you might need to disable this, but since this is happening inside the URL, where this is like injection point, you will need to make sure this is being ticked. And let's paste all the tags. But I think this is not the case. I need to select only A right now because this one and this one is actually opening and closing of the tag, and this is just the names of it. So let's try the attack. And of course, if it's like a real world application, what I really like to doing before starting attack is modifying the resource pool. Like I want to try 5 or 3 sometimes, and like set 3 concurrent requests. But I know this is CTF, and most likely there won't be like rate limitation, so I will just use existing resource pool. But I just wanted to show you before starting attack, usually be very gentle, and especially if there are like certain policies within like bug bounty policy, you really want to reduce this. So let's try the attack, and let's filter by the status code. Alright, custom tags will work, I guess, and the body tag is also working. So what we can do is right now go back to our cheat sheet and try custom tags and probably body. Let's select a couple of those. Body is here, and let's see, it does not require user interaction, so we can try using XSS tag. Actually, let's try using XSS. Okay. Oh, it's using script afterwards, so that's why it's not allowed. Let's just use body probably. Script is not allowed. This won't work. What we can do as well is copy payloads to clipboard and do another intruder attack right now, but this time it will be less results probably. It will just try event handlers, and let's maybe clear and edit this, add it right here, clear those, paste those. Oh, there are a lot of those. No, I just want... Damn it, why it's not filtered? Why it's not filtered? I wonder. Okay, what I could also try doing, I will just open the terminal and I will filter some results. Okay, let's go to the stream. What I will do, I will just create payloads file, paste the payloads here, and like cat payloads, grab this body, only those what starts with body. So this is this character means starts with in the regex, but to enable regex you need etag. So this will only leave those. And also other thing what I like to do is to copy to the clipboard. I usually like to use xclip tool, and this is like selection, copy. You can pipe it to the clipboard actually, so this is pretty interesting thing. Okay, so let's remove those or clear and paste the new ones. Now 69, way better than 10,000 payloads for sure. Oh, sorry, I probably haven't seen it. Let me quickly hide the goal. So this was the command I used. I actually catted out payloads. I grabbed, I used regular expression. This flag means regular expression in grep to filter all the payloads. Like this is the starts with and this is the string. So I wanted to filter out only those payloads which will start with body tag. And I also piped into xclip. This is the utility which could save your results to the clipboard. I think it has some limitations. You not necessarily want to copy millions of results. It won't work probably, but for like a couple of thousands or maybe a couple of tens of thousands, yeah, it could work. So I like using this one as well. Alright, so I copied those and I set the injection marker here. Let's try starting the attack and let's see which ones are working. Okay, let's see, maybe this one. Okay. Just use the search right here. Okay. Okay, maybe not everything is working. Let's search for alert. Okay. Let's try using this payload. Oh, okay, it's working. But instead of alert, if you remembered our requirements, I need to do print function. So let's do. Oh wow. Oh wow. I tried to. I tried to edit anything and it's like it's trying to do this every time. Let's do this one. Yeah, it works. It works just like after I do some. It does require user interaction probably. So let's see the one that does not require user interaction, because this one I think does require. Let's filter by the status code, drag exit on point and order size on mouse. On mouse force begin. On resize. I think most of them actually do require some interaction. Let's maybe explore right here on this page as well, if there is only with body tag. Okay, this one. Before page is printed, on before print. Okay, print with print? Not sure. Okay, to solve, perform, let bypass VAF. Oh, must not require any interaction. Causing print we called in the own browser. Okay, so it should be events from but does not require user interaction, but also does not include any other tag. So this one will not work. This one will also not work because there is style tag. Those will also have. Maybe this one. Let's see. Let's do print. Maybe print before print. That will be. Jesus. Okay, I will just write A and hit the search because this is making me nervous. Alright, so let's copy this and instead of console log do print. Attribute is not allowed. Okay, this is what we can do right now is check for attributes. Which attributes are allowed? We can do another brute forcing as well. Okay. So what I wanted to do here is run that through the burp suite. Okay. Now that's in the burp suite. Let's go to the proxy and right here let's send this one to the repeater. And this is the location where actually I want to inject the payloads. So for the attributes I can copy the events here and test which events are possible and which ones are not. So let's hit another attack. Let's review the status code. On before input, after print, on resize, okay, let's search for print. Let's maybe, I have one idea. Let's maybe do this on one side and the burp suite on other, and I will do a little bit of the trick. If this won't need interaction, I will do auto scroll as well. I will just copy those payloads from the responses and see which ones won't require user interaction. Okay, on mouse, force browse down. Probably this does require user interaction. On scroll end. This one's kind of crazy. On resize, no. On enter cancel. Okay, maybe I kinda lost on this. What do you mean cycle through the word list using burp suite? I was using the intruders and the custom word list from here, from the cheat sheet actually. Okay. Maybe body with the custom tag could also work. Let's see. Custom tags. Maybe try with custom tags. On mouse animation cancel. This is with style, won't work. Script, no. On script execute. On autofocus. I wonder if this one will work as well. Okay, attribute is not allowed, so autofocus is not. That's crazy. Oh wow. I think I was going the right way by the only selecting the body. So on WebKit reveal bottom. So the idea could be is just use couple of event handlers together, but yeah, it's gonna require on resize, on scroll end, on drag exit. Let's see. Okay, on show. Do you see on show right here? Because I'm just looking for the ones with status code 200, and only those actually work. I don't think on show would work. So like this. On show print won't work probably because attribute is not allowed. It will give 400 error. Yeah, could work on like XSS. I could also try for the custom tag. Maybe there will be other handlers. So instead of body, let's do XSS like this and try another attack. Maybe there will be other for different ones. On resize, on scroll end, on before input. On before input. What's that? Response. Let's scroll down to print. No idea why it's not working. Yeah, I see some of you suggesting some payloads, but I know straight away those won't work because like P, SVG, script tags is being filtered out by the web application firewall. Only two tags are allowed: XSS, like random tag, and body tag. Only those. So yeah, that's not necessarily gonna work. I will do auto scroll. Why the hell? Should I check the solution? Is it too quick, or I could struggle for a couple of more minutes? I want to go through as many labs as possible. I don't want to end up just on one. Okay, let's maybe give a couple of more minutes. Okay, on error won't work, but like I can show you real quick. Body. I will try our payload src. You don't even need equals, but okay, I will do the same payload. Href. I highly doubt that on error gonna work, because I don't know, the attribute is not allowed, and those are only allowed, like those events at least. Or maybe, let's wait. Yeah, attribute on error is not allowed unless I will try mixed characters. Nah, it's still do they have hints? No, they don't have hints, they have solutions straight away. Alright. So yeah, I tried, I know that only body and only like custom made tags will work, and I know only those event handlers will work, but it looks like all of those event handlers does require user interaction. So I don't know, maybe I could try some encodings for sure as well. What do you think, guys? And it looks kind of weird because I cannot see the chat. It's not working for some weird reason. Okay, let me turn on the goal as well. Oh, nice. Alright, let me check maybe. XSS encodings like this, not URL encodings. And this is pretty good cheat sheet series by OWASP. You can try multiple things. This won't work right here because there is a WAF, even though it's pretty nice polyglot. On mouse over, malform tags, maybe no. Maybe no. Malformed image tags, no. Okay. No, this one. HTML characters. What's that? Huh. This is body tag. Maybe this one? Something weird is gonna happen here. I'm not sure what the heck is happening here. Let's see. It's gonna be crazy if this one will work. Nah, attribute is not allowed. I think the WAF detect this, and that's why it's not working. On after print. On before input. Okay, let's see the solution. What is inject standard access? Observe what gets blocked. Okay, maybe just don't read everything. I will try reading just a part of it and see if I were going the right path or not. Observe what gets blocked. In few steps we will use burp intruder to test which tags and attributes it's getting blocked. So I saw on the first intruder attack that like body and like custom ones are only accepted. I could retry. Maybe I was wrong. Let's see. Let's try once again, just in case. Let's try clearing everything and clear here. Let's try all attributes just for the sanity. Let's see. Maybe I missed something, I don't know. Custom tags and body, only those. Okay, so body is allowed and some custom ones allowed. Discard, okay. So open burp browser and use search function in lab. Send result request and burp intruder. Okay, I did that. I did inside. Copy the tags, I did that. I pasted the tags. I saw that the body is allowed. Okay. The body. Yeah, I did that. Copy events. Not accept on resize payload. I saw on the resize actually. Okay. It says that on resize should work, so okay, let's see one more time. Okay, it's not giving me an error, so let's do print. Why it's not showing that it's solved or not? The heck? What the heck? Okay, let's see. Go to the exploit server and paste the following code, replacing your lab ID with your iframe. Whoa, 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 whoa. Does it has the exploit server or something? Have I missed something? Where? Deliver exploit to victim. I haven't seen this one. Oh my god, I am just fucking blind. I haven't seen this one at all. Jesus, that's why it was not working. Oh, come on, that was cringy. Ah, fuck. Okay. Okay, I will just use this one. Place the following code. So I will do this inside the iframe. Oh my god. Does iframe use SRC or href? I forgot. Oh, SRC I think. And do I need to close it? Okay, I will do this as well. Is this SRC? Deliver exploit to victim. And I solved the lab. It does require user interaction. Come on, like sometimes I'm too lazy to read everything right. Do not. Your solution must not require user inter. Okay, maybe I was scammed by the lab because must not require user interaction, and there is a exploit server that does user interaction. So what the I will report this lab to them. Like, what? It's crazy. because I read this part and I thought, okay, I should check for payloads that does not require user interaction, but those actually, all of those require user interaction. Yes, the actually it does require user interaction because there is a exploit server and user has to go right here. Maybe yeah, this payload, but the user still needs to go to the vulnerable server first. So it's actually two things happening, not like single thing, but like user clicks on the link and that's it. Ah, come on, parts vigor. I don't know. It's kind of crazy. Let's go back to the yeah, but it's crazy. Why chat is not working? Let me quickly see. Maybe I could fix it real quick. Let me quickly pop out the chat. Copy this. I will try fixing real quick. Let's see if I can do this or not. Ah, come on. Okay, let's see. Okay, just give me some couple of more minutes. I will try to fix this after the stream. I'm not sure like why it stopped working for some weird reason. And this guy as well. Okay, let's try other labs as well. We have couple like 10 more minutes, so let's do other labs. Let's keep this tab open as well, and this one as well. Let's refresh the page. We can see the reflected XSS into HTML context. With most of the tags and attributes blocked, this one was solved. With all tags blocked except custom ones. Okay, I guess this one will work. This lab blocks all HTML tags except custom ones. So I will do custom ones. I don't need to brute force right now because I already know. To solve the lab, perform cross-site scripting attack that injects custom tag and automatically alerts document cookie. Okay, this will be pretty straightforward, I guess. Hopefully I don't need to send the payload to the user this time. It's crazy. Okay, and I guess it said it's on the search functionality, right? Yeah. So I will do a custom tag and do on focus maybe alert like this. Okay, let's check the perp suite. Let's check the proxy. Newest one was this one. Send to the intruder once again. And again, I want to repeat, but this is really important. When you are doing intruder for like most of the bug bounty targets, you have to check the resource pool before sending the first attack because you can get blocked easily. Like if they use web application firewall, like normal web application firewall, they will rate limit you for sure. So your IP could get blocked easily if you don't set up custom one here. Okay, and for the custom, I will try checking on focus. So I will add this one, and let's try seeing the events. Paste the events. Okay. Oh, all the events are allowed. Okay, so if the all events are allowed, let's see custom tags maybe. All events. Let's see the ones which does not require user interaction. So this includes script tags, so it won't work. Style, no. Script on focus alert. This one might work. Alright, let's see. Tab index. Yep. why it's not showing that it's solved? Do I need to do something more? Oh, I need to check document cookie as well, not like alert one. Document cookie, yeah. What? Maybe I use single quotes just to see. No, come on. Why I did the single quotes? Huh. What the hell? Injects custom tag and automatically alerts document cookie. Why it's not showing the cookie? I wonder. I think I'm doing dumb shit again. I'm missing one. Oh, I still gonna need exploit server. Let's do the same stuff. Let's do iframe. Let's do src equals and copy this one, paste it here, close, send exploit to the victim. Why does it not show anything? View exploit. Can't open this page. Oh. Okay. I guess my exploit server is not working properly. Okay. I am tempted to see the solution as well. Ah, okay, I can do this instead of iframe as well. So I just needed to just see this one. Let's see. HTTPS. Okay, send exploit to the victim. Okay. View exploit. But why it's just it's not showing the cookie? What the hell is happening? On focus. Document cookie. XSS ID. Am I doing something wrong? Ah, okay, never mind. I will just use this stupid shit instead of it. Let's try review what's happening here instead. Let's see URL decode. Just this one. Just wanted to see what's going on here. So it uses XSS on focus alert tab index. Okay, let's firstly try this payload on the server, which I actually did, and for reasons. Oh, it's using. Not sure if this is required or not. Okay. I need to use spaces as well. Why right now it's not working? What the heck? It's kind of weird. Maybe XSS is being blocked? Nah, I don't know. Okay, anyways, let's try sending this. Let's try sending this. I am cheater for sure for doing this, but oh well. Deliver exploit to the victim. And this, for some weird reason, is working. Oh, because at the end I think it's... Oh, I know why it's working. Because at the end I missed this one. It's doing autofocus and ID is also required. That's why it was not working for me. So if I do this, it will do autofocus. But it's not showing the cookies still. Like, I don't know. My payload was also like... Why my payload haven't worked? I'm not sure. It's kind of weird. Alright. And it's also kind of weird that I cannot show your chat, and for some weird reason it stopped working. Is someone hacking me? Okay. Yeah, I tried using URL decode for that. But I haven't copied everything, that's why at the first time it was not working properly. So yeah, I guess today I tried couple of CTFs. I struggled because I haven't done anything to prepare like this. This was just a hands-on, hop on and try everything and fail on the go type of stream. So I just wanted to show you like a couple of things. The main thing what you should take away from this is like this one, this cheat sheet. It's pretty good when brute force. Oh, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. I just wanted to show you this, like this cheat sheet is pretty useful for sure. Like when you try to understand what is blocked and what is not. But for sure, like the one thing I also want to emphasize is like resourceful. Don't be too aggressive or you might trigger some alarms, or unless you are using some kind of VPN software, which I also like recommend doing, because you will never know. Like you can maybe just inject some quote somewhere and you can get blocked for that sometimes. So just having VPN, changing IP could work to bypass this. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. It was my pleasure. I hope you at least learned one new thing. My goal is to teach at least one new thing each day. When I'm streaming, for sure. I won't be streaming this weekend probably, but I gonna also show you other vulnerability types. I just want to show you some like basics and go one step at a time. So for the next week I'm planning to show you some of blind XSS, maybe read some write-ups, and maybe if I find, I will try to do some CTF, but not sure about blind XSS if there are a lot of CTFs. It's kind of tricky vulnerability because it's high on return, but you have to invest a lot of time to eventually get some bounties out of it. But trust me, it's worth it. It's worth it for sure. So it was my pleasure, and see you on the next stream, guys.